Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Google AdSense name. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by navigating to the Google AdSense website and signed into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Payments option and click on it. This section contains all your payment information and is where you'll begin the process of changing your name. Inside the Payments section, locate and select Payment Info to dive deeper into your payment settings. Here, then click on Manage Settings, where you'll find the option to edit important details related to your payments, including your name. Now, click on the Name field. Here, you can input your new name or update existing details. Whether you're changing it to reflect your business or updating personal information, make sure the new name is entered exactly as it should appear. Once you've entered your new name, click Save to confirm the changes. This ensures your updates are applied successfully, and your AdSense account will now display your new name. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.